What's up YouTube? It's your boy Lance and today is a new unboxing video. So let's go! Alright guys, we're going to unbox a Nike sneaker that we bought from Seoul Academy at BGC. Wow! Ang ganda nito guys! Sulit na sulit! So this is the Airmax 90 Python. Ganda nito guys. May snake skin na parang kamukha ng ZX500. Parang kinakagat ako lang So my uncle was able to cap this for only 5,000 pesos. So it was on sale for only 30% off. Sulit na sulit. Okay, so let's get a closer look at the shoe. The upper is made of leather with suede panels at the side, and it has the signature snake skin on the mudguard and on the medial side, parang tutong balot ng ahas. The leather quality is actually really nice, especially the snake skin texture. Onto the midsole, it has a white and gray midsole with a silver Airmax cushioning unit and a black outsole. And at the back, we got this classic Airmax 90 logo in black and white. The Airmax 90 Python was actually released way back in 2002, which makes this a really classic colorway. Here's the on-fit look. The lining of the shoe is well padded, which makes the shoe really comfortable. Also, the sneaker fits a little tight, so it's best if you go half a size up. Guys, ito pa ang isang maganda dito. Kasi po guys, ang air unit niya parang telescope. Wow! Gusto ko din po guys pagkaroon ng sapatos na ganito. The Airmax 90 really looks good on feet, and getting this for a discount was really awesome. I can't wait to have my own pair. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. So stay tuned for more guys, because we are going to unbox more sneakers for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like and subscribe for more videos. Peace and God bless. Bye bye.